Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook garlic flavored broccoli and shrimp stir fry. This recipe is pretty easy to learn. Hope you all like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to cut some broccoli into bite sizes. Use a pot to boil some water. When the water boils, add some salt and some cooking oil to it. Put the broccoli into the pot. Cook for around 30 seconds. Then take the broccoli out from the pot. Now we can peel some shrimp. Don't forget to get rid of the shrimp knife. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the shrimp into the pan. Stir fry until the shrimp becomes pink. Then add the broccoli into the pan. Now we can make the sauce. We need to mine some garlic. Put the garlic into a small bowl. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt, some starch, and some water. Mix well and pour the sauce into the pan. Now mix everything well and let it cook for a short time. When the sauce starts to thicken, turn off the heat. It is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.